So pretty. Let's make a sweetheart choker. Okay, let's get started making this beautiful red heart choker. You're going to need ribbon. This is 3/8 of an inch. This heart is about 1 inch from top to bottom. It's about 1 1/4 across. This is Murano glass. You're going to need a 3-inch head pin, 2 ribbon ends, 2 jump rings, a clasp, and an extension chain if you need it. For tools, you'll need round nose pliers, flush cutters, chain nose pliers, and I'm also going to use my large flat nose pliers. You'll need some kind of handheld lighter. You're going to need a ruler. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to use our 3-inch head pin, put it in from the bottom, and then I'm going to cut off about, 1.5 inches. About there. And then I'm going to make a loop at the top right here with my round nose pliers. So I'm going to come up fairly deep on my pliers, and I'm going to start rolling until I have a loop, just like this. I'm going to hold one end of my ribbon and burn the end. And this is so it doesn't fray. Let that air out a little. After burning the end, I'm going to fold it up, put it through my simple loop that I made, I've measured out 17 inches because I want a 17-inch choker, and I'm going to cut it. I'm going to get my little ribbon clasp. See, it has teeth right there at the end. So I'm going to fold up my ribbon, put it into my clasp, and then with my chain nose pliers, I go up a little further. I'm going to go ahead and start pinching down one side, folding it over, I'm going to flip it around, hang on to it, and do the other side, pushing it down. And then what I can do is I can use my larger flat nose pliers and really secure it and pinch it down. Go on this side too. Okay, now let's give it a tug and see. It's very secure. I don't think it's gonna go anywhere. Okay, so let's do the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and burn down my end. Let that dry a little. Get another one of my ribbon ends out. So what I need to do actually is look at this to see what side, because I want this to be the front and then this to be the back. So I'm going to make sure that my ribbon is flat and I'm on the front side of my heart, coming along. Now I can fold it in. Making sure this is the front and this is the back. Now I'm going to start folding one side down. Flip it over. Fold this side down. We're doing one side at a time. Now coming in with my flat nose pliers, I'm gonna really give it a squeeze on both sides. Opening up my jump ring, I'm going to add my ribbon. I'm going to add my extension chain. Then I'm going to close this up together, turning, making sure that it's closed and giving it a pinch on the top to secure the loop. Then on the other side, I'm going to open up the other jump ring. I'm going to add it to my ribbon. I'm going to add my clasp on. Holding one side down, coming in with my bent chain nose pliers, I'm going to twist it until the ends touch, and then I'm going to secure it by pinching it together. And there you have your beautiful Murano glass heart necklace. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.